Hello friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare chicken fry, crispy and spicy chicken fry. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Medium size chicken, 10 legs, plain yogurt, 3/4 of a cup, lemon, half piece, ginger powder, 1 tablespoon, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon, all-purpose flour, 1 cup, chili powder, 2 teaspoons, dried basil leaves, 2 teaspoons, all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons, cornmeal, 4 tablespoons, corn flour, 2 tablespoons, breadcrumbs, 4 tablespoons, eggs, 2 numbers, milk, 4 tablespoons, salt to taste, oil for deep fry. First, let's marinate the chicken. In a bowl, add ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper powder, plain yogurt, salt, and mix well. Add chicken legs and mix well. Squeeze some lemon juice into this and mix well. Keep the marinated chicken in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Next, we are going to prepare chicken coating powder mixture. For this, in a bowl, add breadcrumbs, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, corn flour, cornmeal, dried basil leaves, chili powder. Mix all dry ingredients well. Our chicken coating powder mixture is ready. Next, we are going to make egg wash. In a mixing bowl, pour eggs, milk, and beat properly. Our egg wash is ready. All the 3 plates are ready now. First, coat marinated chicken pieces with all-purpose flour. Then, dip chicken pieces in egg wash and apply chicken coating powder mixture. Coat on top. Repeat same process for remaining chicken pieces also. Set aside for deep fry. Add enough oil in a frying pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, add chicken pieces into it. Flame should be medium to low. Turn and cook both sides around 15 minutes. Once they turn golden brown color, and cook through. Drain oil and place them on a paper towel. Also, deep fry rest of the chicken pieces. Our tasty and crispy chicken fry is ready. Transfer this to the serving dish and serve hot. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.